Hi all, welcome to Diversified Finance. My name is Lakal. Just a quick video regards to Bitcoin price action. Uh, l- last video I mentioned we might get back up to this mid trend line, blue trend line, and after that we might see a bit of a dump. But unfortunately, it did not even go above 40k, and it was near somewhere near 39,950 or something. That's the max it got up to, and then it reverses and it broke below this trend line. um, on the 1 day chart, RSI is somewhere near 36, so which is not it's kind of oversold, but not like somewhere near 20 or so. Let's look at the 4 hour chart. Yeah, so on the 4 hour chart, it actually dropped towards 30, 28 or so, and now it's recovered a bit. Maybe there's a bit of on the 1 hour. Let me look at the 1 hour chart. Yeah, so on the 1 hour chart, we have a bit of bullish divergence, meaning RSI's relative strength index is going up while the price is going down. So we have that our bullish divergence. So this might make Bitcoin go back probably back up to 39,000 or so. It could happen. I mean, I'm not too sure, but everyone is bearish at the moment, right? So normally what Bitcoin does, when we see after seeing some sort of a dump, normally it stays in this area 36,000 for some time, and then it'll probably continue back down to like maybe 33 or something. There's a possibility it could happen. Or maybe, given that everybody's bearish right now and everyone's expecting 30k, uh, everyone's expecting like lot lower prices, 25k, 15k, 16k, 19k. It might pump back up, right? And the only way, given that most people are bearish right now, the only way for them to make more people come back into the market, just to pump the price back up. I'm talking about the market makers, to pump the price back up to 40,000 or even beyond that. So um, regardless, I'm always gonna stay level headed. Let's not forget the trend is still down, right? Look at this trend from about 48,000. It keeps on going lower, like making lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. So in that kind of a trend, I'm not gonna do trade or whichever. Like, but if you are a long term investor and if you're buying Bitcoin right now for long term, this could be like a great opportunity for you to accumulate Bitcoin for long term, buy and hold for long term. There'll be a good price. If it comes back, if it breaks below, go towards like 30k, 33k, you can keep on adding to your portfolio. Let's say, for example, like dollar cost average, right? If you have 10,000, you're not gonna put $10,000 worth of, you're not gonna buy $10,000 worth of Bitcoin right now. You probably buy 2,000 worth of Bitcoin right now. If it drops to like 33, another 2,000, 30,000, another 2,000. Likewise, your dollar cost average on the way down, and then hold Bitcoin for long term, right? There are other issues regards to macro economy. The interest rates are going higher, so Federal Reserve and the central banks started aggressively increasing interest rates. So when the interest rate goes up, market doesn't like it, right? So they tend to take risk or assets, like trying to take money out of the risk assets, and then hold USDT or cash. So US dollars, USDT or cash likewise. So let's wait and see. uh, for long-term accumulation, these are really good prices, right? I mean, I'm not going to trade right now because nothing is certain. The trend is still down. Yeah, I mean, given that, I mean, it could get to 200 weekly moving average, which is somewhere near 22 23k, but it's not going to go down like in a straight line. We will, even though we are in a bear market, we will still see pumps towards rallies towards upside, probably back up to 39,000, even like 40. If you're really lucky, they might pump it back up to 44,000 and surprise everyone, because right now most of the majority of the people, if you go to YouTube, everyone is bearish, right? So when the majority expects something to happen, the market makers might do the opposite because nobody expect that, and then they can trap a lot of people like that. So right now, if nobody's, if you, but if you're a long-term investor, if you're accumulating right now, there's no problem, right? If it goes up, it's okay. If it goes down, it's still okay. So this is the way. This is what I'm gonna do. Like, I'm gonna stay level-headed, and I'm gonna keep on accumulating little by little for long term. So that's it for today. I'll talk to you in the next video. Thank you. See ya.